What's going on, everybody? What's going on? We about to get right on into it. No cap here. Let me fix my desk. I'm tired as hell, boys. Not gonna lie, but we about to see what we can get into. This is gonna start off by doing the same thing I always do. Previous day's high, previous day's low. And ideally, I am going to be bullish today. So that is first things first, considering that yesterday we did have a bullish day, bullish engulfing on the higher time frame, and we did break market structures to the top side. So what I'm thinking this retracement is right now is going to be a retracement lower to potentially get me in for a low price so that I can catch the majority of this up move. That would be my ideal situation at this current time, but we will see. I'm also going to be pulling a fib from this previous day's low to the previous day's high in anticipation that price may have a retracement lower to an area such as these, where we can likely get in a good entry to potentially buy price. If you also look to the left, we're going to come to the higher time frame, see if there's any other confirmations within price. For example, one that I do see is I do have this fair value gap right here on this 1 hour time frame, right in there. If you also keep in mind where we are within price, that is also within that 11,200 area. So there's three confirmations within this small area. So I think that area right there is going to be ideally where I'm looking to take my longs at. But we will see. If I end up missing that trade, I'm cool with it. I'm not really making myself trade. That's one scenario that I'm looking at potentially to play out. Another one is if I pull a fib from the previous day's high to the current low, where we are in price, there's this area within here that price could also potentially come into, potentially get a short scenario, but only time will tell. We got 11,500 right here, 11,600 right above this previous day's high. That could be an ideal target if we are going to really push bullish. We have 11,400 right here. Then we have 11,300 right here. I think those are going to be the only ones I need. So yeah, looking at it right now, price is slowly making its way lower. To potentially get in for long prices. Yeah, we're gonna see. Nobody's in here yet. It's just me so far. Your YouTube videos is on the starting page and it's showing what you're talking about. Oh, I got what you're saying. Got what you're saying, bro. Damn, I keep doing that. I appreciate you for reminding me, bro. I would have never forgot. Goddamn. But all right, here I'm gonna go over it a little bit. So what I basically did is I pulled a fib here. This is a blank slate. I pulled my fib from this low and this high, and I delineated that with the yellow marks. So these yellow marks are showing where I drew the fib. The fib lined up with this area within here. Then I went into the higher time frame on the 1 hour chart, and I seen that we had this fair value gap right in here on price. So if you look at this red line, that is 11,200. So if you also look at 11,200 and you look to the left, we have this fair value gap within price from this wick and this wick that has this gap in between here that is also in confluence with that 11,200 area. Now we come back to that 15-minute time frame. I drew a fib from that same previous day's high right here to this low, but I'm probably gonna destroy this fib right here because price is still making a new low. So I'm going to wait for it to actually slow down for me to draw a fib. But I also saw that we had this fair value gap within price that is also in confluence with the Asian session low and the midnight open. So that's also an area that price is more than likely going to have a reaction from. But as of right now, I think price is more than likely going to come to the downside. And I'm going to be looking for a potential long around 11,200. I think that's what I'm going to be doing. Oh man, looks like it's just me today, huh, boys? Guess it is. But now we're gonna see what's up. Right now it's just a slow day. We're gonna see what we can get. We can see what we can get. I'm not looking to force anything as always. No point in forcing any trades. Do we have any news today? We had news at 8:30. Okay. We're gonna find out what's up. We're gonna see what's up, boys. Let's see. Higher time frame. This higher time frame, I'm still bullish, as you guys can see. That's why the main reason I'm bullish. I want to see this continue to engulf to the top side. Even though we didn't engulf these two candles over here, ideally, like I wanted, we are having a major retracement that I want to be able to capitalize off of. I just want to see price come a little bit lower, and then from this 11,300, 11,200, I think I'm going to be using around a 30-point stop, 30 to 40-point stop loss, in anticipation that price will at least make a run to 11,400 to 11,500. That would be best case scenario. But I'll already be looking to take some off by the time we get to 11,300, considering the fact that you never really know what's going to happen at the end of the day. So you always want to be prepared. Be prepared for something that may not happen. Nope.
Yo,
What's up, bro?
not much, man. It's been a long time since I've been inside the private inner circle.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. We'll always be here. We ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, I had to like basically gain like some self discipline and
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 it's a self game. Most of the stuff you gotta do by yourself. The community's just there for the people.
yeah, I was just trying to find like the easy way out, and that shit did not work.
Yeah, shit. Trust me, it only gets harder. It only gets harder. The easiest part was when you didn't know nothing. It only gets harder now, because now you don't know
Right,
what. Now, once you know a whole bunch of stuff and you're still wrong, it only makes you more angry. At least when you didn't know
right.
shit, you were losing. You're like, all right, I don't know nothing. Now, when you still losing, you know a whole bunch. It's like, damn, I just suck. I just suck.
Dead ass.
Nah, it's part of the process. It's a self learning game. You gotta be on your own for a lot of it. You learn most of it. It's mostly learning about yourself. So if you're with other people, it might be hard a lot
Right.
of the time.
Yeah, I was mainly like focusing on myself more and like actually like just dialing on the chart. So I was watching like all like 92 of like your videos where like where you do like the case studies and stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and I only like watch that and then like I'll go to the chart and then like mark it up and like see like why price went to certain areas and try to
Mm-hmm.
figure it out. That
Yeah,
shit
I
started
like the daily
working.
range. The daily ranges are good because it's not like I'm really showing you anything. It's just I'm showing, literally
No,
showing day
dead
by
ass.
day, same shit happening, same types of setups on a day. And you like you said, 90 videos, and there's only so much. It would have been one thing if 30 of the videos something happened and 30 weren't, but it's like
Right.
there's one
There's
or the
so
other
many
every single
different
video.
studies.
And there's one of the others. Mind you, it was only ever one or two setups too. A London continuation or a New York
Right.
reversal. It's only ever one type, and there's just certain characteristics you look for. Like yesterday, this ended up being a trending day, like I anticipated. That's why I just took my one loss and I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna call it a day because there's certain characteristics that you could see from the past that you can kind of see happening in the current time.
Yeah, same shit, different day, really.
Same shit, different day,
Hey,
different time frame. What's going on, Cal?
what up? What up?
Yo,
Ooh, what time you leave out there?
I gotta catch a shuttle to the airport at like I don't know what 10, and then my flight's not until like 11 or something. I just gotta fly to Houston and then Houston back to home.
Alright, Houston vibes. Houston vibes. You said
Yep,
QB
I'm gonna miss
Stews.
the views.
You said QB
I'm gonna miss
Stews
it.
in Destin.
I don't know. You sent me that story. I was
Yeah, I don't think
confused.
he's
I was
there.
like
He just reposted it, but
posting it. I was like, oh shit.
nah, he's in I think Georgia, somewhere in Georgia, Savannah maybe, Buckhead, somewhere around
It
there.
was funny. You ever seen Destroying on YouTube?
Yeah,
So that's the first time I ever heard of QB Stew. And then
that's
whenever I
funny.
saw that he was trading and shit, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I
I was
knew
like,
QB Stew from trading before I knew he was like into football, cause he's like he hangs around the bigger trader names,
yeah.
Miami, Q Banks, shit like that.
Mm-hmm.
But
I'm
nah, yeah.
surprised I don't even know who that is.
Yeah, it's not anyone crazy, crazy. It's not like one of them
Yeah.
people that like got Lambos, but he definitely has his money. He definitely does his own thing. He's one of the few that just be chilling. He's a
That's
Zare.
what I'm trying to do.
He's a Zare. He smokes and plays sports. Just be
Yeah,
I'm
he
chilling.
trying
got
to
a
do
very
everything else
diversified
outside of
portfolio.
trading.
You said he has a diversified portfolio.
Yeah, like bro, like being like a football player and a trader, bro, that's like two completely different lanes.
He was gonna
Mm-hmm.
go pro, but then he got like kicked out because of smoking. Then that's when he wanted to trade in. So he was just like, "Fuck it, I don't need this. Trading is all I need." And now he can just have fun for free. That's thorough though, because when you do trading, bro, you can do anything. Because for real, we have all our day. We have 90% of our day still. 95% of our day after we get done trading.
Yeah, I'd be bored as hell.
Yeah, bro, there's a lot you could do. Shit, I could be a football player. I could be a whole NFL player. Niggas wouldn't even know. I'm a whole full-time day trader too.
Mm-hmm. So retail sentiment's at 64% long, which is pretty damn high.
Yeah, I'm waiting to go long. If it goes long from here, I'm cool. But I'm gonna wait for 200 to go long. Any short case scenario, I'm gonna wait for a retracement. I'm just waiting for price to kind of create an actual low right now. But I think if we retrace back to this 470 Asian range low before we tap 200, I think I might go for a short. But I think these are the only two areas I'm really looking at right now. I'm not really looking to take anything.
I feel like the buy is more probable.
You said the what buys? That's what I'm saying. Because
Yeah, I
remember
feel like
yesterday,
it's more
how I
probable.
was looking for this to slowly become an engulfing and ended up engulfing. So I just think this might be a pullback. But this is a big ass wick we had, so this is still a valid range. We're just coming
Oh
down
yeah, no,
into it.
because if it pulls back this much, it can take out a lot of the players.
Yeah, I'm
That's
predicting a
pullback.
62% reversal going
62.
long.
Yeah, it could. I'd just rather wait for the big figure. It could go off from here, but I just rather stick where the more confirmation. Because when you have a big range like this, so from the 62 to the 79, it's about 75 points. And I usually try to have like a 35, 30, 40 point stop loss. So it just depends. Like if I would have gotten in at the 62, it would have been hard because if I would have risked like 30, 40 points, there's still a chance that I get stopped out. It touches 200 and it still goes my way. So what I'm doing is I have a higher chance of missing a trade, but if I do catch a trade, the likelihood of it playing will be more on my side. It'll give me a better risk reward, but it just comes with
Small imbalance on the 1 hour.
yeah, the one at 200.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's exactly why I'm waiting for 200 too, because I got that fib, the 200 level plus that fair value gap.
It looks solid.
I'm looking right here too. We have all this consolidation. We have these up and down candles. I haven't really checked the 4 hour within this area. Nothing crazy. I think the hour's last time frame was something valid. The price could use, but we will see. We will see. Time is the main thing.
Yeah, so yesterday you know how like people will try to sell you like timeshares and shit.
Mm-hmm.
So the hotel we were staying at, they didn't sell us like a timeshare or anything. They sold us like this kind of sold us on like this membership deal where basically you get access to go to like all these different hotels like around and all inclusives and stuff for like discounted prices and stuff.
Thorough,
And
thorough.
I was thinking about probably trying to run an Airbnb and trying to test them out
Mm. That could,
with one of the
yeah.
resorts.
There might be a way around. It just depends. Certain resorts
Yeah.
give you like wristbands, so if you can get wristbands and stuff, like a whole bunch.
Well, the thing is, like, so there's no blackout dates. It's unlimited bookings. Like, I can book 5 resorts or 5 rooms at one resort, at
Mm.
multiple resorts if I want to in a night.
Interesting.
And I can bring whoever. It can be friends, family, business partners, whoever.
How much is it? Or how much they want you to pay?
Uh,
And what do you
we
like?
spent we already closed on it. It was like 5,900.
59. And how long is that for like the year?
No, for 25 years.
Damn. All right. 25 years? Is it like one time payment?
Yeah. And then we pay monthly, but it's kind of like you pay it off because we weren't gonna pay the whole thing. It was like 10K or something like that.
Okay.
Like, fuck it, let's just put this down and we just pay it off monthly, and then really we'll just
So
see what's up.
so what are you able to do with it now? You're able to say book whatever? Like is it discounted? So
Pretty much.
discounted or is it like
So we get discounted pricing for all the Blue Diamond like resorts. So we get access to like all inclusives, worldwide hotels
Damn.
like Marriott, Sheraton.
yeah, I'm gonna keep you in my pocket.
I'll say yeah. So we got the rates. So if you trying to hit a nice all inclusive,
Oh
let
yeah,
your boy
you know
know.
me. I'm gonna be gone.
Got you.
I'm gonna be gone. I'm like, listen, Cal, it's been a bad week. I'm gonna need
And
them
I'm gonna get it for the
discounts.
low low.
I'm gonna need them discounts. I'm going to fucking Cuba. I'm going to Cuba, bro. I'm not coming back for a month. But now
Hey,
59 is not
speaking
bad.
of a location, how was Tampa yesterday?
Man, that hurricane ain't got nothing on me. I'm cool.
I
Yeah,
was gonna say
I
I hit
heard.
you up. The
Apartment
chat.
vibes. I ain't lose power. I have my internet. Only thing was I was just starving all day and I ain't go to the gym. But I'm out today. I'm not staying inside. It's over. My quarantine is done. I'd rather get stuck
Yeah,
in the rain at this point. It was more like
yeah.
the
Joey
places
said.
close to the water got fucked up.
Yeah, Joey said if you got vaccinated, you gonna be all right. So I
Yeah,
hope
I
you
ain't
got
vaccinated
vaccinated.
either. So I mean, I guess I'm just the odd one out. I'm not vaccinated, nor did I evacuate.
The weather goes around you if you vaccinated.
Mm-hmm. It's like a shield, I guess.
Yeah,
Like a
it's a
shield on
shield.
your body.
Mm.
Like when the fucking like when you put the spray on your shoes for the water.
Right.
That's gonna be me in the fucking rain. This is like blowing off me. Like yeah,
That
I'm
shit cute.
vaccinated. That shit the bed. Joe is a different breed. Might as well be a comedian at this point. Cause shit.
Mm.
But nah, yeah,
I
it's
think our
cooling over
trade
there.
might come on. Well, 10.
You said your trade might come around time.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, right now I'm not. I don't look like I'm gonna get anything. We still got about 18. We got about 80 points to drop for me to even get my trade.
Right.
That's a big ass range. I ain't gonna lie.
Mm-hmm. It is a big range.
After that big ass push.
If I didn't have that fib, I would not look have been buying that low, honestly, because it just looks like it's super low. Looks like another. It looks like a backwards example of yesterday, like
Yeah.
literally, just a
I do have a
backwards.
sell bias too.
It stopped my sell runner out yesterday. Like my runner was in right here. It stopped me out and then came back lower. Sick.
I
But I
was so glad I closed. It started dropping. It dropped like maybe 40 points, and I was like, bro, I was like, this shit's just sitting here. I was like, it should have dropped like dead. So I was like,
yeah,
nah, I'm gonna go ahead and close
I
it.
took my 1L yesterday. Called it a day. Just continued to trend from there. So I didn't really have no. Yeah, I didn't really feel a reason to get back in anyway. So I was cooling.
The only reason I seen that buy happening was just because we had ran that weekly low
That's what I was saying. Like there
and then
could
broke
be a
structure
reason
to
that
the
this goes
upside.
bullish, but I was looking at it reverse too. How it broke structure to downside could come up and come lower, but I knew it was possible. Like I said, at least now I know the direction. I had to take one loss to learn it, but better I know
Yeah.
now.
I feel like weekly and monthly, like we bearish as hell, but I think we gotta get like some liquidity first before we continue
Yeah,
lower. I
at
feel like
least
next year.
12,000. Because even if we make a fast run to 12,000, we're still gonna be bearish as hell. So it would just be a small
Yeah,
pullback. Because we've only had two up candles in the past 7, 8 days. Then we had one. Then we had one. It's just been dead, dead.
right. Yeah, but if you look on the weekly, yeah, that shit's definitely gotta go lower, bro.
The weekly low I'm targeting is right down here. It just depends how we target close off this week. Because if we close as a doji for the week, we might just push next week.
Right. Yeah, next week will really show us colors.
And it has NFP next week too. So
Oh shit, it
Oh,
is.
yeah, we gonna see what's up.
NFP screwed me this month, boy. Like it made me fail my damn challenge because it was like hella slippage. I had like over $800 in slippage.
Yeah, I try not to trade NFP just because it's be annoying and volatile.
Yeah, bro. I had hit them up and everything. They was like, sorry,
Yeah,
in the
they don't
rules.
care.
They don't give a fuck, bro.
You just gotta follow the rules. It ain't really gonna help you if you fail a challenge, even by $50.
Yeah, I really don't like trading at 8:30, but
Nah, I don't
NFP
either.
be getting like that shit really like a gamble.
It is a gamble. It could either go really good or really bad.
Exactly.
High risk, high reward. That's how it is. But we not really
Oh yeah,
moving.
I meant to tell you. I had watched like your credit video from like months ago, and
Which
I
one?
had like a
Like 75 to like 775.
yeah, that's the one. And you was explaining like how like to get like a secure credit card and stuff like that, and like open up different tabs and apply for credit cards and shit. So I took your advice on the secure credit card because my credit was like a 423 because I had got like a Best Buy card and I had
Yeah.
was buying all type of shit, bro. I got $1,500 limit, and I think I was video editing at the time, so I got me a
Okay.
camera and a
Yeah.
laptop. That shit fucked me over.
That shit adds up.
Yeah, and I had lost my job, so I couldn't pay it back. So I took out a personal loan. Big mistake.
Damn.
Uh, yeah, that shit was bad.
Shit
But
better. How
I
old are
should have
you?
like a
How old are you?
570 now. 23.
20. Yeah, it's
But
better.
that was
At
back
least
when
you
I was
learn.
like 20.
At least you learn that.
yeah.
But hold on. Keep talking. I can hear you, but I'm just answering the phone real quick.
Yeah, I got like a $800 secured credit card. That shit boosted my shit up about 25 points. That was pretty dope. And now I got me a Capital One $500 limit, so I'm just gonna work that out and keep my usage low so I can increase that mod.
I was gonna say if you need help like getting shit removed and like fixing your credit and like building like capital and everything with your credit, I got a homie that specializes in that.
I only got like 3 inquiries. So I got that personal loan and I got my student loan. It's like a $5,000 student loan. It's not really bad. Joe Biden helping
Yeah.
me out with that. And I got that that a Best Buy card. So I want to remove the Best Buy card, but that's like my oldest credit history. So I
Yeah.
was thinking like, should I like take it off or like
Nah, I would keep it.
that's what I was thinking
Just
too.
be smarter about your utilization
Yeah, my
because credit history is gonna play like the biggest part in like, getting like bigger amounts down the road.
right, right, and I don't want to mess up my history because I only got like 2 years really.
I mean, your student loan's straight because I mean that's adding history too. But the other thing, I forgot what you said, but
Yeah, and
you
that
said a personal loan.
yeah, that personal loan, but that one's about to fall off next year though, so that's why I'm not really worried
Oh
about
yeah,
it.
I think you're straight. I'm gonna say all your
Yeah,
your credit should boost up then.
yeah, and I got like a 9% utilization, so I was able to get the Capital One card. So now I'm about to. I got like a $500 limit on it, and it come in like 7 business days or whatever. So I'm only gonna use that probably for just like some Starbucks drinks and just pay it off every month.
Sell to buy scenario today.
Yeah, it's definitely probably sell to buy. We go see it 9:30 though. Which one I want to do? But I really don't. I really think that our trade probably not coming to like maybe 10.
Right idea.
But I really don't know what to do with that $800 that I'm about to get back next year sometime in March. I'm thinking about probably putting aside this trading account,
Say it again. What you
or
say?
I just got to give me like another credit card.
What
When
you
I
say?
get my $800 back from my secured credit card,
Okay,
I don't
okay.
know what to do with that money.
Mm, trading. You said trading kind of what?
I was thinking about like when I get my refund for that secured secured credit card. I was thinking about either putting it in a trading account or getting like another secured credit card with it, or putting
Honestly, it
half in trading
depends. What
account
you
and
could
half
do
for.
is you don't always have to get a secure credit card. If you get the money back from the one secured card, they should upgrade your limit on that card.
Mm,
So it should go up anyway. They'll give you the money back. And from there, you have history now. So you might be able to just apply for a regular unsecured one. So you won't even have to put money down for it. The
yeah,
unsecured is usually good when it's like real low. So say you do get denied still, then you do it again. But try to apply for a regular unsecured one. And then if you get denied, then you should do the secured.
yeah. I just applied for one unsecured one 2 days ago. It's the capital one. It got like a $500 limit on it.
Oh, so it's
I'm gonna say,
unsecured then.
hey,
That's good then.
Yeah, I
y'all can
got
get
two
Navy
cards.
Federal. Get y'all a Navy Federal.
Oh yeah, I think
You
you need
said get
someone.
one with Navy Federal.
I think you need someone.
Bro,
Right.
just walk in there and tell them that your grandpa or somebody was in there. They literally don't care.
Valid, valid, valid.
So yeah, I got like $1,300 in credit right now.
Nah, that's good, especially when you start. Like when I first started off, I had 700. I had 200 on one card and then 500 on the other. Now, shit,
My,
I have like fucking 8, 9 cards. That shit is annoying now. It gets to the
I
point where I
started
don't
off
use
with,
certain cards.
I think, 7,100. That was my
71.
first.
Damn, 7100 was your first card?
Yeah.
Damn.
I'd be forgetting you like 30. You probably had a whole. It was
And
different
that
back
was
then.
actually earlier this year.
Damn. 70. Nah, ain't no way. You had must
But
have
that's because
cards
I
and
got
shit
it through
then.
Navy.
Maybe. The credit unions are a little different. I was about to say 7,500 for your first card. God damn.
Hey, look up this dude. His name is called the Radical Marketer. I don't know if you ever heard of him, but he's on YouTube. But he talks everything credit on YouTube.
Nah, credit is a great game. It's not even complicated either. It's just what you know.
No, it's not. It just takes hella long. It's all
It's
about
just all
time.
about
Yeah.
what you know. Like once you learn, it's like, all right, this is simple. I just have to implement it now. And building credit isn't hard. Getting a high score isn't hard. It's maintaining it is the hard part. People can't
Yeah.
maintain it.
Yeah, and a lot of people scared of debt and stuff. Like my girl dad, like he got like a American Express card for like 8,000. I don't know which one that he has, but he like super like picky on what he put on it. But I looked at his Credit Karma, and the dude already spent like 1,700, and it's been on there for like about 3 months. Like bro, like just pay that shit off a little bit,
Yeah.
or like do something.
Shit, like on my American Express card, I owe 2,800 right now, just on one card. The other
You
one,
owe 28 or you got 28?
I owe 28. That card is like at a 20. It's like 25,000 limit. It doesn't go towards your limit though, because American Express is a little bit different. It's like a buying power. There's not really a limit.
Uh,
Like I could type in.
right, and then like
It's like they'll allow you certain much for a purchase. Like the most I could spend on one purchase is like 27,000. So that's like technically the limit. But it doesn't go
right,
towards your limit. Like I don't know if you guys seen that post. I have like 30 something K in credit cards, but that's not even with the Amex. That's just like not the Amex because I don't know. It's weird. Amex doesn't have a credit limit. Once you get an Amex, you understand. But it's
yeah, like
just
don't they expect you to pay it off each month or something?
yeah, it's like they want you to pay it off, and once you're able to pay it off, they only trust you with more money. Like when I moved out here to Tampa, I spent 10K that month just on that one card. So that just and I paid it all off. So that just shows okay, he's able to spend this much. We're gonna allow him to have even more money, and by doing that, I'm only gonna have a bigger credit limit. So now that I have a card with a big ass credit limit, I can make big ass purchases. Like how I got my car, I use my Amex card as a down payment, and it wasn't really gonna affect my card either because I have such a
Right.
high limit where putting 5,000 down on a card isn't gonna put my usage at like 100%. That's why having a
Right.
high limit is always gonna be important because the higher your limit is, the less money you're gonna be spending on it. That's gonna make your usage go down. It's gonna make utilization go down. It's gonna make your history go up. So when you get the credit limits up, that's when shit gets easier. It's the beginning that's always the hardest because you have to specifically spend for certain things and not go over this type of thing. But once you have a big enough
Yeah.
limit, it's like, all right, I'm not gonna spend $50,000 in one day, so I'm gonna be cool.
Dead ass. Because I know it's like 3 tiers. It's like the tens of thousands, which is like the gold, and like the hundreds of thousands, which is like the
Yeah.
silver, and then like the
Then
millions with that
I
black
don't even
card.
think it's millions, honestly. I just think it goes to kind of just like there is no limit at that point. I don't think they'll
Yeah,
just. I don't think it's even. It's probably like Amex where they give you a certain amount you could spend. Cause I think Amex is the only
right.
ones with that big ass like they allow you that much that isn't like a business credit card. Business credit cards, those, yeah, those are different. Those are different.
Yeah, because I know like they got one that's like $10 million limit on it or something like
God
that. I was like,
damn.
fuck,
10 mil. You know what I would do with 10 mil? I'm putting all that shit in the property and I'm going. I don't even
bro,
care.
exactly.
My credit, I
That's
will
like a
allow that
cheat
shit to
code
go
for
to
life,
zero. I will allow my credit to go to zero if I had 10 million cash. I would just put
bro.
it
That's
all
a
in
GTA
property.
cheat code card.
All in property. I don't care because with 10 million, I could easily get like 30 to 50 million plus in assets just off property.
Yeah, dead ass.
Look
Just
into
off a
that X1
piece of
card.
metal.
You said what?
Look into the X1 card. That one's it's supposed
X1.
to be like based off of like your income. They give you like an X amount of like for your limit.
Oh man, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna be like, yeah, I made 3K today. I need my shit to be in. I need up my credit limit by 3K, boy. My net worth go up, my credit go up. Oh God, I need you to match my net worth.
Yeah.
They're like, what's your net worth, sir? I'm like, let me do the math.
No limit.
Let me do the math. I'm like, have to add all my assets, add all my debt, add all my stuff. Damn, we not moving. It feels like another day like yesterday. Is it even open yet? 3 more minutes.
That dude, Andrew Tate changed my life too, bro.
Yeah,
I
Andrew
started
Tate's
going to
good.
the gym more because of him.
Yeah, everyone hates him, but I fuck with him. It's just the way he. Everyone's. It's just the way he says it,
Yeah, but
regardless.
that's like his marketing scheme, though. Like he literally said, he say shit that piss people off, but it's true.
It is true. He did his thing and got him banned, but hey, I mean, it only made him more popular.
Yeah, he on a Rumble now, and he's going crazier than ever. He
Yeah,
said,
I forget. There was like they were only getting like what 25,000 viewers when they would go live, but when he
"Oh
got
yeah,
banned, he his
yep,
first live he got 160,000. Like damn, on a
bro." And
whole
then like
different
every channel he
platform.
be on, bro, like every channel he be on, it'd be like lower ranking channels, and he just gives them like millions of views.
That's the thing too. When you
Like
have money like him, you're unstoppable because you could literally just promote. And when you have people that promote
anybody,
for free, oh yeah, you're
yeah,
good. You're good. He don't even got to pay for the promotion no more. That's why it's crazy because he's getting all this free promo and he don't even have a TikTok. That's what's crazy.
yeah.
But it's just all his.
But he took that,
He's smart with it.
yeah, like he took that idea from YouTube, bro. Like that's what he was saying too. Like YouTube literally like does nothing. They do absolutely nothing. Like
They're
everybody
just the
else do all the
middleman.
work and they just benefit from it.
They're the middleman.
They
But
can't
hey,
take no L's or nothing.
that's why it's good to have businesses like that where it's like you're not the direct business in a way, but you're the. It's you. I don't know how to explain it.
It's like having like a platform to do whatever you want, and it's really up to you how hard like you want to go. And I'm just gonna make the like the residual off
It's
you.
just there. It's like me charging people for this community. Say in the Telegram, I charge people type of thing. It'll be similar to that. But the way Andrew does it is he's smart because he has this community and he has it so they're able to make money off of uploading videos of him. So it's like everyone wins.
Right.
Everyone wins.
And
They want to do it
he
because they're
also
gonna
make
make money.
from them.
They're gonna make money, so they don't care to help someone else, and he's gonna benefit off of getting more publicity. So that's why he has everyone do it. It's like, damn, it's a win-win situation here.
Yeah, but I heard his war room is absolutely pointless though.
Is it? I don't know. I think that's an expensive one. I guess.
Yeah.
I guess if the only way I would say is valid is just because you'll be able to be connected with people that actually have money. That's probably the only thing. I guess it is what you make of it, type of thing. Because if you pay that much and you already have access to those people, if you can call them, then shit, you can make it worth your while right away. It just depends because if you're not really social or if you don't really know what you're doing in there and you just have it, it's just like yeah, it might not really benefit you. I feel like it's a certain demographic. Like if you already have the money, you already know what you're kind of looking for right now. You're trying to network because people aren't gonna give that much money that they don't already have money. You have to be a little bit down. And I'm trying to get this custom chain made. I need to find a jeweler. I'm trying to get this brand on my neck.
You get the dude I sent you,
Which one?
Ace Got Ice. I met him in Atlanta
Ace got
a few
ice.
years
Ace got
back
ice.
whenever I was messing with eardrummers.
Ace.
What you mean messing with ear drummers? Like the Ray Shremmer?
Yeah, so I do music whenever I actually moved to Atlanta like 2017, 18, something like that. And
Oh
then
yeah.
we're working with one of the producers under Mike Will. And we got a chance to, network, get close with everybody in there. So did some shit with them. We got like a whole project with eardrummers that we've been sitting on for some time. But we were, long story short, gonna sign a deal with them, but it wasn't worth it because we're in a group, so it just didn't
Yeah.
make sense for us business wise.
Right.
Because we're looking more for like a distribution, and they're trying to do like a full on 360. Because I think he had ties with like Interscope and Atlantic.
Oh yeah. You ain't gonna make that much money anyways from them. Too many
Yeah,
people involved.
That was about to put you in the
we've
industry.
been learning the credit game, so I mean we're starting to like start our own label and everything. So we're gonna do everything from the business side now.
Yeah, if you
That's
can
So
dope.
I'm
get business
transitioning from an
credit,
artist.
if you can get into business credit, you good.
Yep.
Cause
I'll
then,
say we already got our well, we're establishing it right now.
yeah, once you're able to
At
get that
Apex.
credit, you good. Cause then the funding's the hard part. Once you got the funding, you just gotta make it work. And if it don't work, try again. But at least with the business credit, it's not gonna fuck you up. Cause it doesn't really affect your actual regular credit score either. So like if you say go bankrupt on that whole business, your personal won't be affected. It'll just be the business that gets fucked up. Which is still bad, but it's not gonna tie to you personally.
Sure gonna miss these views.
I feel you, bro. I feel you. Now I'm about to see because I'm trying to get this custom chain. I want to get the FB. I don't know if I should get FBA or FBA Capital. I have to see what the price difference is gonna be.
You don't need to get the capital.
Huh?
I think the capital. I think you should
Yeah,
start.
definitely the capital.
That's what I'm saying. But
It'll
it's
look
gonna
it'll look
add so much to the price. Like it's gonna probably double it.
true.
Maybe
I
even
think
like
FBA would be chilling.
FBA is cool. Like I could maybe later get an FBA, then a Capital chain, then get one together, regardless. But I don't know. I have to. I'm
Or
gonna
maybe the
try to.
FBA can be big.
Yeah,
Capital
FDA
can be
big
like
and capital
small.
small.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
have to
that
see. I'm
should
gonna
be
have to test around with. I might try to get like two different quotes for two different chains to see what the price difference is. Because that's just a pendant too, not even like the actual chain.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I should get a gold Cuban. I don't know if I should just get like a silver gold, white gold. I'm not sure
Just
yet.
get a plain gold chain, and then you can ice out the pendant.
I don't know though. I have to see how it would look on person because I'm not trying to
On the
have
internet.
gold and then diamond yellow. I gotta see how it looks first. You know.
I mean, like you really gotta
Because
think about like what do you want it for? Like, do you want like to just like take pictures in and show out, or it's like an everyday thing?
No, it's every day. That's just gonna. I'm gonna
If
wear
it's
that
every
shit
day,
around
the
my
you don't gotta be
gold.
dome.
too iced
I'm
out.
wearing that shit around my dome. Wear that
Get
shit
the
around my
gold,
belt.
bro.
I'm gonna
Because
use that as a belt.
the gold's gonna hold the value more.
True.
Yeah, exactly. If you're trying to do it every day, just go, plain gold and like with like a little bit of diamonds.
I'm trying to
You don't
think.
want to go
I'm
like too
thinking white
crazy.
gold though. That's what I'm thinking.
That's fine. It's the same shit.
Cause I need my shit to glisten. I don't want
Yeah,
the
white
chain just to
gold.
glisten.
I fucks with white gold.
Yeah, I want to be like a two-tone pendant, like a white gold and a rose gold. That should be hard. Like white gold, like just the main thing, and then like rose gold lettering. That should be hard.
Damn, this. I'm trying to look at white gold. These shits very.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it like G Herbo and like put like my mom on like a pendant and put my homie on another pendant.
Oh yeah. On what like
Yeah.
what is it? The rosaries.
I don't really want like a rosary. Like I probably might get like Trina's son on like a big pendant, and then get like my homie like and like you know how G Herbo got like the Juice World pendant. That
Fuck,
shit
I'm
just
not sure. I
raw.
was seeing like on the back, or you like want it on the front?
I wanted to say like Trina's son like on a big pendant, and then on the back of it had like a picture of her. And then like my homie, I want him like to be like that Juice World chain that G Herbo got with like Juice
Yeah.
World like on it and stuff, but it's like it like pops out with the gold. That should just be hard and have like his
Yeah.
face, or, like a
The
picture of me.
one reason I'm trying to get this chain too is because once I start going to these clubs, it's over. I'm talking to everybody. I'm not even gonna be in there drinking. On God, I'm gonna just be fried, and just talking to people. I'm meeting everybody. Don't care. They're like, oh, he has a chain. He must be someone important. I'm like, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? You want to make big money?
Yeah, they
How do
gonna
you
ask
make
hella
money?
questions.
They're like, how old
Nah,
are
you
you?
just gotta be the dude that's
Like, I'm
just chilling
16.
posted up.
I'm 16.
He's still on 16.
You want to know how to make money? How you even get in here, bro? I got money talks. Money talk. I'm in here. I'm looking for people just like you.
Bro, honestly, as day traders, bro, we gotta be like more spontaneous because it's like we don't do like normal
You
shit.
don't do
So it's
you
like
don't
when
do a
people
lot. We
ask
have
us, what do
nothing
we
but
do?
time, bro. There's so much we
Bro,
can
that's it.
do.
Bro, we
Just
just
drop.
gotta just be like, shit, we just take care of our people. We just take care of our people. Like, we don't even gotta say, oh yeah, we day
When
traders.
people be like, "What do you do?" I just say everything because day trade. I wouldn't even
Everything, exactly.
because day trading is
Yeah.
like I don't want to be known just for trading. And when people, I want them to
Same.
just know
Nah.
the brand. That's why when I want to get the FBA, that's like me getting charts instead of the FBA brand on my chain.
I'm an entrepreneur.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna get the
'cause we
FBA.
bought the
They not
bro.
gonna think trader when they see the chain. They just gonna think money, regardless. But if I have a fucking chart on my chain, thing, I'm like,
I
oh,
probably think if I seen FB, I'm like, this nigga a rapper signed to a label.
free band
Oh,
game.
God.
I'm gonna have it like sideways, and it's gonna be the A is gonna be real long. It's gonna look like a
You talking
label.
about the A is gonna be real long.
Like you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
one leg is gonna be like real long.
Bro, you just gotta like draw that shit out or something.
Now you know the same font as like the XO, like you know the XO for XO tour,
Oh yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
So imagine that
I
with the
get you.
FBA, something like that is what I'm trying to
All right.
visualize.
Fuck with it.
That's gonna be like
Yeah, that
these,
shit hard.
holding them up in a picture. Then I gotta get girls. They really gonna think I'm a rapper. I'm gonna be having a
Oh,
whole
look,
alter
though.
ego. Whole
Look,
alter
you
ego.
should put the damn lion as like that little loop that you put the chain through. That
Ooh.
should be hard too.
Yeah, just wait for me to get a little bit more money. That shit by itself gonna cost 10K, 5K. On God. I gotta see what these prices are looking like though, because the one
Maybe
Cuban I
even
wanted,
more.
bro, that's what I'm saying. Because the one Cuban I was looking at before I was even thinking about getting a pendant, bro, was already taxing. That was before I even thought about pendant. That was just regular Cuban chain, nothing.
But where are you going?
I don't know
Where you
yet. I have to
going
see. I can go to a few places. I have a whole. The place isn't really what I'm worried. If it really came down to, I'll just go to Miami.
I just want me like a nice plain Jane gold Cuban link, and if I really want like some iced out shit, I'm just gonna drop bag, bro, because I'm never gonna do that shit again. Like once I get like my 2 chains, like my 2 pendants, I'm never buying chains ever again,
I'm more in
You
the
say that
watches.
now. You say that now.
bro. Because like
Just
honestly, I
wait.
really don't even like iced out shit, bro. I don't even like it, but it's like a statement piece. It's like kind of like a trophy, so it's
Yeah.
like fucking why not? You know, I got all the money anyways. Fuck it, why
Shit,
not?
Get your
on
own
me.
trophies.
I am I'm bougie. I'm just getting it all.
I'm from the hood, so
No
it's
shame.
like I don't know,
No
like that
shame.
shit just in me. Like fuck it, I'm just gonna give me a chain, give me a nice iced out watch.
I don't know. I
Nah,
just think
It's it's a cultural thing.
yeah.
It is a cultural
Cultural
thing.
thing.
And it's also you gotta keep in mind if you have
It's
these
a
things, you're gonna
horrible
get.
cultural thing.
Yeah,
in
it
my
is.
opinion.
It is. But you gotta keep in mind, you having this, you are
depends.
gonna get treated different. People are gonna look at you different.
Yeah.
They're gonna actually
Yep.
see you now. So it's like, it's
Yep.
pros and cons because
Niggas gonna
all
talk
attention
to
ain't.
you different, bro.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
That's
especially like in
just-
Chicago, like east side of Chicago, bro.
It
Like
is.
everybody got some type of chain.
Oh yeah, and especially if they see you're young. Oh yeah, and you have a nice
Right.
car, bro.
Out
all
here,
the things,
bro,
all the
these
things they add
things
up.
be fake as fuck, bro.
You said the what?
Yeah, like they be fake as fuck, but it's just like everybody's got a chain. So if you got a real one, and like you from the hood,
Yeah, that's
I
why.
got chains very. I don't give a fuck. Though.
I'm just saying, like, I don't know about where you live, but I know in Philly, bro, all these niggas with chains on be fake as shit.
So the thing
bro.
is though, it's
oh,
like
yeah, they
it's
be
fake.
faking
The only
from
thing,
Chicago.
a lot
Or
of
you
the
can get
things too,
Moissanite.
you could tell certain fake jewelry, but when
You
it's
can.
real, you could tell. And I just need it to. They'll be like,
shines
yeah,
a certain way,
it shines a
bro.
certain
Yeah,
way.
it definitely hits different.
Like when you have like it's fake, it's kind of more just like real white, like real
It's like
bright.
it's like
real
a
bright.
drier kind of.
It's like
shine.
bright as fuck. But when it's like real, it's like fucking rainbow. Chameleon.
Yeah.
Chameleon.
Oh,
Yeah.
God.
But not all of them that are real shine too crazy.
Nah,
bro.
yeah, there's like 7 different types of diamonds. SI,
Yeah.
like SSI, VI, VS, VSS, VVF.
VVS is
Really, you can get
VVS
Moissanite
2s.
diamonds for a lot cheaper.
Yeah, there's definitely ways to go about it for sure.
Still, what they call?
gonna just be
Moissanite.
sick if I get hit with a diamond tester and that shit doesn't work. Oh man, this burns.
Moissanite passes diamond testers.
I'm about to have to just. After that, I'm like, here, bro. You can just have it. You right. I don't even deserve it, bro.
Oh shit.
That would be bad vibes. That's
Yeah,
something
that's why
I'm not
playing
walking around the
Django.
mall if I got a fake chain. I'm having that shit
No,
tucked.
why? Bro,
Tucked.
only post that shit on Instagram, bro.
Tucked.
Don't even wear that shit outside.
I'm like, you got jewelry? No.
Nope.
What's that on your neck?
That's my daddy chain. He just let me wear it.
Oh yeah, that's my baby chain. I've had this since I was a baby.
Real shit, that's my nigga chain.
Hell no.
Like that's my man's chain. This ain't even mine.
That's some nigga shit.
Oh god.
Like yeah, these pants, these says too. Like them?
Right. I'd rather be looked at as like a broke boy than wearing like a fake chain. Like I don't know. It's just different.
I guess maybe if it's
Like
a
when
picture,
you broke, you just broke.
one thing, but
like when you
it's
trying to
marketing.
be
But
broke, it's different.
it's
To me personally, I really don't.
fake it till you make it to an
Market.
extent. Like it's one thing if you have a
Market is
fake
coming
chain, but
down.
you're not pretending it's real. But if it's fake and then you're
Right.
pretending it's real, it's a little different. But if you're like, nah, it's not real, like Kel, he admitted it, so it's not really shit. But then if he was like, nah, I got a real chain.
My priorities have switched as I've gotten older. So to me, it really like when I was younger, I was like, that shit was hard. But now I'm starting to get to a point where it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, he getting to them old ages. You feel me?
Because I'm more about life experience.
Stop calling that nigga
You
old.
be out of pocket, Andre. You gotta relax.
It's all right. He's gonna be there
They
soon.
call that nigga old.
It's
That
cool.
nigga
Wait
hype
till this
as
nigga
shit.
turn
He's
30.
young.
Watch, I'm gonna be 30. Kel gonna be 40. I'm like, I told you. I'm like, damn, bro, you right. My back hurt. About it is.
And wait till you hit 25.
Oh man, I still got time, bro. I just turned 20.
I just turned 23 September
Bro,
7th.
this is the worst. This is gonna be the worst friend to have when we older.
Who, me?
Yeah, you nigga.
I'm like, how
Be
you
like,
60
"Damn,
and
nigga,
can't
when you
walk?
get-" He gonna be like, when the fuck you get so old?
I'm like, when did you stop walking, bro?
Yo.
I'm like, damn, I got like, arthritis. He gonna be like, what the fuck is? Yeah, I need a meal before I'm 30, bro. I
10
can't go.
10. You gotta be up there by 10 10.
Definitely possible, man. Definitely possible. So much money can be
that's
made in
7
such a
years,
smart,
bro.
I need a
small
few
period.
M's by the time I'm 30.
By the time I'm 22, I need a few M's.
Bro, my shit keep cutting in and out. It's pissing me.
Nah, I think my trading view. It was your trading view.
Not trading view. It's my FTMO platform.
My trading view was acting crazy a second ago. Like it keeps going in and out. Like it'll disappear for a second. What's US 30 looking like?
And coming into the 79%.
Now we're coming in that 200 level. I'm gonna
Taking
take
it off of that fair value.
I'm gonna take it right at 200, right at the edge of it, and we gonna see what happens. It's probably gonna be my only trade. Best case scenario. But nah, bro, the chain is something I really just been thinking, because this type of thing is like, do I really want it? But I'm gonna get it regardless. That's what's fucking me up. It was the same thing I said with the car. I wanted the car. I was gonna get it regardless. I just got it. The chain, I'm gonna get it
Take time,
regardless.
though.
You said what?
You don't need to rush it, bro. Like you can.
Nah,
get
I
the
don't need
chain
to rush it.
whenever
That's
you
the thing.
want.
I'm just impatient. I'm an impatient person. I'm surprised I
Yeah,
made it this long, even after trying the chain on. That's
Because bro,
that's where
I'm gonna keep
I'm
it a beam with
surprised.
you, bro. We already talked about it. You said you was gonna wait like a year. Remember?
Yeah, that was before I thought about the pendant too. That was before I thought about getting the brand instead of just a regular chain.
My
Now
opinion,
the
bro,
brand that could
My
that could
opinion,
benefit
bro,
me
is
going into the year.
buy another car before you buy more jewelry, or buy a
Damn,
house. or
another
some
car?
shit.
Damn, bro, I already got
Yeah.
two. Jesus. I don't
Shit,
think
bro,
I could.
I'm gonna have
Toro.
a lot of fucking cars, bro.
Toro. The only thing I need you or someone else for Toro. I can't do shit for another year.
Yeah, that's so ass.
Yeah, it's tough out here.
All right.
And I heard that I heard there's
Oh,
other
man.
apps other than Toro that are blowing up because Toro hasn't been doing so hot recently. So I got to do more research on these other apps.
God damn.
Like I met this nigga in the Wawa the other week, and he was driving.
And that shit just started
Corvette.
falling, boy.
Right.
Hey, if
Trying
it
to
ends
figure
up
out
stopping
when-
me out,
Stop loss. No, it hit the 79. It hit the 79 and it's
did?
rejecting perfect.
I'm in right here, right at this 200.
I got in at the fair value gap tip of that wick. I was like, fuck it.
I got a
ain't
little bit
missing
of a
out.
deep stop loss, so not deep, Small, 30 points.
All right, baby.
Let's see. This could stop me out, but I'm willing to take another trade on this, honestly. Just considering how small my stop loss is. But if it doesn't, then this will be an amazing trade. Amazing.
Will be nigga,
Amazing.
what? This will be a fire.
The 11,300 I think would be a valid. Even 11,300 would be a valid full trade if I take some off.
I guess my stop's gonna go right below the low.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The fact that it came low, I don't want to see it come low again. It could.
Because that's the low of the week.
Where's your low? The previous day's low?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you be having
28.
them wide stop losses. I be trying to preserve my my coins.
I feel you.
I just like being in and out. The wider my stop loss being, my TPs barely be hitting TP1 as is on bad days. So if I had a 70, 80 point stop loss, bro, I would never hit my targets. The market would just fucking play with me.
Well, the fact that I have mine right there, damn. I don't know. It could be a target area.
Yeah, but the only good thing about it is you'll be able to cut it short before it gets there. With me, this trade is not going to get cut short. It's going to, when it comes down, if it does come down, it's going to stop me out in a second. For you, you'll be able to like, okay, this doesn't look good no more. I could cut it off without taking a full loss. That's the one thing I do give about risk and having a bigger stop loss. It gives you more time to think and reevaluate the trade.
Yeah.
But me, I'm just a menace. You know how it get.
You know how sticky it gets.
I just need this to make a run to 230, and I'm breaking even. That's all I need.
I want to take the Asia high.
I'm gonna wait till after
That
10.
shit really is falling though.
Yeah, if it keeps dropping and dropping, I
gonna
might
be
look for
sick,
another. I might look
bro.
for another entry, but it might be another trendy day like yesterday.
I'm gonna
Potentially.
be sick, bro.
But I don't
It
want to see it
sucks
come
because
too much lower.
next week is NFP, so I feel like it's just kind of gonna
Oh
rain
my
from here on
god.
out.
And he just said the biggest bullshit. I fucking hate NFP week.
Shit, I do too.
That
Man.
shit happens every
Bullshit.
month.
Feels like it's every
Now,
week.
what I hate is the next day after NFP. That should be so fucking trash.
All right, we came and we cleared that first low, so we should go up from here.
Just sitting here patiently waiting for Bitcoin to crash, bro.
I stopped even bothering. I'm gonna wait till like it actually has a major crash, like all the cryptos. I'm not even gonna look at it until now.
That's what. Well, all the cryptos fall. Like all the cryptos move based on Bitcoin's price because Bitcoin it's like US 30. You feel me? Like
Godfather.
yeah. So it's like
Bitcoin definitely crashing.
nah,
But
for
the
sure.
thing is, it's gonna come
It's just
right back
we don't
up
know
when
when.
people leave
That's
started
Nah,
to
I
go.
don't think Bitcoin's gonna be coming back up. All the non-carbon footprint cryptos are what are gonna rise.
I feel like Bitcoin gonna crash for like the next 3 years. I don't think it's gonna happen.
Bitcoin's gonna crash and then it's gonna run stable around 5-10K probably.
Maybe.
Yeah, but it's gonna have like a major comeback though. It's just no time soon at all. I don't believe so at all.
It just won't be the number one coin no more after this shit crash.
No, they go wait till everybody say, "Oh, fuck Bitcoin, fuck this, fuck that," and then boom, everybody go miss it again.
Well, it's not environment friendly as well.
I mean, like Bitcoin just really don't have like a place in society like right now. Like it's getting there. Like everybody using debit cards and shit and credit cards. Nobody really using cash like that. But soon enough, it's just gonna be like a world currency.
Oh yeah, they're really trying to implement or regulate crypto into the economy. So they're trying to go digital.
I think it's gonna be a high.
You said what? That shit breaking up.
At least it
What
ain't
you
me
say
today.
again?
Shit.
Connection's unstable.
Hey yo, hundreds confirmed dead after Hurricane Ian. You can't. Ian ain't even that strong, bro. Ian ain't even like
Brother,
that.
that shit got the P1, bro. Got the P1.
Ain't no way. Hundreds, bro. Did hundreds not evacuate? Ain't no way. Hundreds
That
of
could
people
be
can't
fake
swim.
news.
100 people can't
That
swim.
could be.
Climb a tree,
Nah,
bro.
but that shit was ripping through houses and shit,
Hug
bro.
that John, bro. I would have been on a tree like these, bro.
Nah, they told niggas to evacuate and niggas didn't want to leave though.
I feel him.
Niggas probably don't even watch the
You
news.
talking
bro.
about
I
I
barely watch
feel
the news.
I say 10 toes, bro. But I'm in an apartment. I did not get affected at all. Nothing. The most happened to me is I heard a lot of wind, but I slept like a baby. I woke up like on to the next day. Meanwhile,
Bro,
this nigga's in probably in fucking pool boats right now, floating around.
bro, is the I think it's the ocean. Like, is it really like receding? They said.
Shit, maybe. I don't even care if I'm gonna be honest.
Big. Why would it be receding?
I'm gonna have to go in. I'm gonna be in that water
I don't know,
regardless.
but that's what they were saying up on the news. I looked it up this morning. They said that the ocean is like receding.
If anything, it should be getting.
closer, right?
Yeah, I was about to say there should be more water.
Right, that's what I thought. Like, you can look it up on the news right now.
Shit,
It
at
said
this
that
point,
it's
bro, I
receding.
don't listen
I
to what they
believe
say, bro. I don't listen to what they say. They just look at Joe.
Yeah, they just be saying shit.
Look,
That's
they expect
niggas
us to
are
listen to
saying
Joe
that
Biden, not Joe Biden, Joe Biden, whatever. What's his name? Same nigga, right?
Joe Byron.
Joe Byron.
Oh, Byron.
All right, I'm about to break even soon. Almost at TP1.
Yeah, I'm up now, but fuck.
You're almost at, bro. That shit barely.
I want to hold.
That's what I'm saying. That's the only
shit.
thing. I'm risking less so I can get these trades. That's the one thing with reversals. I try to get break even fast because I never know if this is gonna be the main play or not. So I try to get that break even. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for it to probably get above, like right in here, right above in here, so I can get enough room. But it's close still, and it's still within that 200 level. So I'm just gonna give it time.
All I know is that shit gotta go up so it can swing down lower.
That's what I'm saying.
That's all.
Like I don't need it to go crazy.
They're saying
just 300.
They're saying once we break this 4-hour low, that's that could be the structure broken for the market to crash.
Man, who said that?
Shit.
Analysts.
Man, tell them analysts eat dick.
That sounds very
Nah, like
governmental.
if you look at they've been looking at the recession patterns from 2008 and 2000, and it's the same shit. Markets moving same
Until
exact
this shit
way.
move, I'm not believing nothing, bro.
That shit sounds government approved.
Real shit. They're like, yeah, let's tell them this.
Well, I mean, nigga, it's falling, and it is market structure, bro. So
Yeah, but like us as traders, bro, like we don't really see like all that economic shit that be going on. Like we just be like, oh, that's just about to make us rich.
no, I'm not even talking about. No, he was talking about charts, bro, and he was marking that shit up. I've seen a few charts that look scary, bro.
Shit.
You just got to be on the right side of the market, bro.
Real shit though, we gonna
Fear
make money
is
regardless
illusion.
of where it goes.
Fear is an illusion.
I'm gonna say losses are a part of them, so that's gonna happen.
Damn, bro, don't do what we did yesterday where we don't move, bro.
I know that'd be some bullshit.
Bro, that was ridiculous.
Right at that fair value guy we was playing yesterday for a minute.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. Bro, that fair value
5 minutes.
crazy yesterday.
Like, I'm gonna give it like another 10, 15. I don't think we should stay within this area if we're really gonna push though.
On FTMO, we hit the 79%, but on TradingView, we haven't yet.
I think we're gonna go back up for a little bit.
I don't want to see it come hit that 79%. I really don't. So it already damn near tapped it, bro. Come on, call it a day. Just go high.
I know, right?
Like
Might as well, I already tapped into that imbalance.
That's what I'm saying. Tapped into here, tapped into the imbalance. Missed what? Missed this shit by what? Not even a pip.
Got 5 minutes though. Let's see what happens. 10 o'clock.
3 points.
Y'all's time, huh?
Yeah, we gonna see. I'm just not trying to have this volume stop me out and then it goes higher and then I have to get into another trade. That's my only thing. But that's what happens when you have small stop losses. Pros and cons.
I mean, I'm flying back today, so I'm trying to be one and done. If I take it L, fuck it. I'm gonna just sleep with that on the plane.
Yeah, I just want to go to the gym.
That's how I'm feeling, bro. I'm ready to leave. That's why I just wanted to play out. At least let me break even.
Because only lost like whatever. The most boringest job ever, but you make so much money.
Already lost like 0.5%.
What she do?
I'm trying to just break even or something. Let me know something.
Cal, how do I like zoom out my charts? like on
Same
MetaTrader
as
on a
Oh,
laptop.
like
I was trying to ask you that yesterday, nigga.
Like
minus button.
it's like bro, no, it's weird because bro, like my chart is like all the way down here. I'm like, bro, what the fuck?
No, that
On
should be
Trading View or
on,
MetaTrader?
bro.
It's on MetaTrader on the computer.
Oh yeah, use the minus button.
Yo,
But
on
still,
trade,
it's like, am I able to move my chart up or down?
I was about to
Oh,
say,
you mean like up and down, like on Trading
Yeah,
View?
like can I
No,
move it? Like
you can
my
only scale it up and down.
like bro, like if you look right now, my chart is literally like this. I'm like looking at it like, bro, I can't even.
I know it's retarded.
Shit makes no sense. I'm just looking at it for the profit at this point.
Yeah.
Yeah, MetaTrader, you're fucking dicked. TradingView, if you can add like a terminal where I could trade, you'll probably make so much money.
it literally says trading panel at the bottom of your screen.
Nah, but you can't link every one to it though.
No, it's like about 3 of them, right?
Yeah, you
It's
can't.
like
It's
3
only certain
platforms.
ones. Like you can only do like regulated.
Regulated as fuck.
Yeah, they are
If you're able to
regulated
go to
as fuck.
unregulated, bro, I would never leave TradingView.
I swear to God, I would
that's
never
all I would
leave
need.
Trading View. This damn terminal ass.
Oh shit.
Damn, bro, that shit is regulated as fuck. Forex.com. Fuck
They
that.
got Pepperstone on that motherfucker. You can't even get on Pepperstone if you're in like a certain country.
Yeah, it says retail sentiment jumped up to 66 long. I'm gonna probably
Darn.
scalp a little bit and get some profits and jump off this.
I'm just trying to get it to 300. Once it gets to 300, I'll take some off.
I think it's gonna come at like 10:30. I think the trade gonna come at 10:30.
You got 3 more minutes.
There's news at 10:30.
It's news at 10:30.
I'm gonna short term buy this, John, bro. I don't like how the market's structuring. I don't know if it'll go too long.
It's all about just having targets. That's all.
I'm probably just gonna sell it after it gets to the
Like 300, I can get a 1 to 3.3 from there.
Yeah, I was about to. Damn, I'd be looking at SPX, but 300 is around the same area where I was looking.
Let's see how this 5-minute closes. This is gonna tell us a lot.
All where the sell
It's going
side.
past this low. I don't think it's going past that swing at the bottom.
Yeah, that would be best case scenario, but you know how this should be. It could just come down, swipe it, and just.
You know how sticky it gets.
Facts.
Bro, that's the second time saying that.
Facts though.
That should be real, bro.
That should be
That's
Just like yesterday, I had this whole thing. We were in the area, looked like it was gonna play out, just to slowly keep trending. It could do this the very same thing.
It's looking like it.
Yeah, because this 1 hour candle tough as hell. So maybe the next one.
It just
should be
depends
like
how
that
these
swing.
next two candles close, 5 and 15.
Oops.
It's gonna tell us a lot. But the fact that we're closing bearish, going below, going into 10 o'clock, it could go both ways.
I inverted the charts. It still looks good, but I don't know.
Oh shit!
We finishing.
See some-
I'm staying in it until it stop me out.
Yeah, I'm about to get into.
Shit, just be careful entering that 10. That's all. The volume. It could either go your way
Yeah.
right away or the opposite right away. Let's look at US 30. US 30 is kind of rejecting.
Yeah, I'm gonna risk another 0.5. So that way, if I lose, only lost 1%. Go to the gym.
Yeah, we're
And then forget
right
about
here. Rejecting this. We're rejecting 200, 29,200 on US 30 also.
We'll see, because if this swings, this would be a crazy swing.
Especially if you're risking.
It might in US 30 it gapped. That might just be trading view though.
Where?
It says on my chart that
Like
it gapped
open?
right up at 29,530. And
Yeah, it might be your
gapped down
chart.
there.
I don't see it. It might be just a feed.
Yeah, it might just be the trading view chart because I know that shit.
It does look kind of like it wants to go bearish. Yep.
Oh, finesse. If it's gonna go bearish, at least let me know, man. I just don't like waiting. Let's see how this 10 o'clock is. Just push up enough for me to break even, big dog. That's
how sticky it gets. All right, I'm gonna chill.
I don't think I ever heard that song fully.
What?
I just heard it on Instagram. That's about it.
I'm only giving. He said they only give a nigga. Fuck you, market. Fuck you. All right.
Bro, you be raging. I can just imagine how you be driving.
Nah, I love my car way too much, bro. I have to drive calm.
Oh, fuck you.
If that shit never makes it to the track, bro, I'd be upset. I have to be calm with that shit.
Oh my lord, what just happened? I look away for one
Yeah,
second.
Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. Bullshit.
We at 79% though, so
That shit
we just
dropped.
gotta hold it, man.
Nah, I took that one out. I'm gonna see if I get back in, but probably not. I'm gonna see though. It depends how this candle starts to close.
It looks like it really did just flip bears. Like it just broke that.
The 15 doesn't look valid no more.
50 pip stop. If it stops me out, I'm just gonna go. Fuck it.
This looks like another one of yesterday's.
Bro. This is
I
bugging.
closed half of my position. Let the rest of the shit.
Yeah, I don't know. It could still play out, but it's the type of thing where you don't really know where.
Been violating my body recently, bro.
Shit. Real shit.
Yep.
That shit going down. Another trending day? That would be ass.
Bro, I'm telling you, that shit's gonna die soon.
The reason I didn't want to go buy is just because I knew everybody else was buying.
I'm about to just not trade for the rest of the week.
That's how I feel.
You got one more day.
This shit, ain't no way. This better not run this low now.
Better have a nice, enjoyable flight.
All right, bro.
You about to scrape?
So I will catch y'all boys later.
All right, bro. You safe, bro. Have a safe flight home.
Have a sturdy flight. That shit is dying.
Yeah, that shit just... That 10 o'clock, I knew it was either going to go good or bad. I wish it just would have went to top side instead, though. But hey.
Nah, bro, it hasn't been respecting, though. It's just been all manipulation, bro. Like, that's manipulation, nigga. Like,
no, I wouldn't say it's manipulation. It was going to go there regardless.
No, I think we should just hold it just for a little bit.
Shit, if you have that wide of enough stop loss, hey, go ahead. But I'm already stopped. My shit done.
Yeah.
Because if we go past this low on the 15, it's then they're probably over with.
I just don't like how it's looking. US 30 still has a chance of going higher, but now it's just like, damn, it's deep in there. Like, there's no more gaps in here to fill. Oh, damn, bro, it's just coming lower. 4 hour.
Damn, bro, you're telling me this is not manipulated?
Nah, this is just the market.
Bro.
If this is manipulated, every single move is.
Bro, it's an algorithm, but manipulation is when it goes against the algorithm.
Nah, I don't think so personally. I think the manipulation is part of the algorithm. It's just part of the game.
I wish I would have got in like right here. Fuck, this would have been a perfect entry right here.
Yeah, shit. If it goes up from here.
Nah, if it goes up from here.
I ain't even trading this shit no more, bro. Fuck
this
that.
Is drop. It just looks like another situation like yesterday where just fucking went up. Now it's just going down.
But the candle did just open though, so
yeah.
They're trying to get people out right now.
I just don't like how this 4 hour and everything's looking. The daily already looks like we're about to engulf damn near.
Bro, it should have fucking rejected and went back up. Like, look at where it's at.
Yeah,
that's
like,
that's crazy.
It's deep in there. I mean, there's still a chance it
bro,
can
it's
go,
overextended
but
as fuck, bro.
That shit's deep.
Yeah, that shit is deep.
Like, US 30 is still within that range, but NAS not so much.
I just increased it to 66. If we go past that, then I'm just gonna say fuck it. But I really
it is in that range, but it's still overextended as fuck.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, because you know that 10 o'clock reversal be strong, bro. I'm telling you.
No, I do. I definitely do.
So that's why it's like I still got a little bit of faith in this motherfucker. Look, it's already retracing a little bit, so it really depends on like how this candle closed. If it closed like a doji or something, it's we good.
I'll watch it on a lower time.
If it closed tough as fuck. Oh no. I'm trying not to look past the 15-minute time frame though.
I'm not either, but I'm trying to get lower into it to catch it before it has a big reaction. Because if it does react up, it's probably gonna get right back above 200.
Yeah, because if you look at like the daily, like you could see like this motherfucker probably not going past that damn yesterday's low.
That would be best case, but right now it's just slowly falling. Because that low is only about 30 points, 30, 40 points away. We gonna see. Right now it's not showing no willingness to go higher. I would rather wait for a large time frame break of structure to the top side than try to get in.
It's crazy. My whole like list, my trading view list is red. Everything is just red.
Everything's dead.
It's growth, bro. You gotta learn from that shit.
No. Like the markets. Like I got like US 30, SPX, NAS, gold. Everything.
Oh.
Damn,
Oh,
gold's
yeah.
dead too? Interesting.
Everything is just red, bro.
Damn.
Hey, this shit ain't it. September times. This shit's just slowly moving lower.
Do y'all be looking at the Dixie?
Nah, not as much as I used to.
Yeah.
Yeah, not as much as I used to. But I know that once that shit starts falling, everything else will do better.
Yeah, it's not like a huge correlation, but as far as like those nice time frames, like the 8 o'clock open and like the 9 o'clock whatever the fuck they call it, and then like the 10 o'clock reversal, that should be low key kind of like have like an opposite correlation. But long term, that shit is not reliable.
Yeah, it's good if you're like looking for the next 10, 20, 30 minutes and you're likely to see some correlation.
Right.
Not always, but sometimes.
You a scalper, that shit kind of help.
I don't know.
Hey, Andre.
Weird price. What's up?
Do you be talking to girls like at the gym? I try not to.
Nah, fuck them bitches.
I try not to. Cause I don't want to see
people
your
are gonna
ass
be
later.
people there talking to them all day, bro. I'm not giving them my attention, bro.
Nah.
They got enough attention
The
as it
baddest
is.
bitches are though. I'm gonna be real with you.
You said what?
That's where the baddest. That's where the bitches who are the most put together be though.
Nah, those are where the most insecure ones are. They're at the
That
gym for a
is true.
reason.
You think?
Yeah, they're wearing leggings. They're there in front of all men. Come on, think about it, bro.
Yeah, cause
You
like
can work out at the crib.
pretty girls, like they lazy as fuck.
You can work out in the crib. What you gonna do? You just want abs and legs anyway. You ain't gonna hop on the bench press.
Yeah,
And then
like
mind
bad
you,
bitch,
they have
lazy.
squat racks in front of everybody for a reason. Gyms are smart. Squat racks in front of the windows. They're getting attention the whole time they're there, bro. Whole time. They ain't getting a talk
bro,
from me, bro. No sir.
I'm dead.
You get lucky if I look. That's about it. But I ain't talking to you. Fuck no. You gonna have to talk to me. Oh God. I don't really be coming at bitches like that in the first place. So usually they come to me because of Instagram. I be putting myself in front of them, and then they flock to me.
Oh, it's over with.
This just keeps on coming lower. See how we react after clearing that low. I want to see a break of structure to the top side at least, but if we run that previous day's low before then, I'm just gonna call it a day. Two trending days. Interesting. Two engulfings. It's just shit like this where we're not getting no bullish moves. It's like, hey, ain't shit we could do. Oh, look at that. We're starting to get some after having that reaction. Let's see how we react off of this low. part of me does want to get in, but it's like this shit's so down bad. So down bad. It's the type of thing where it's like you would want it to move from here.
I still got a little bit of faith. Because I don't want to close out this trade and then be like, fuck, I should never close out this trade.
Let's hold it to
But
wherever your
also-
stop loss is on. Wherever your stop is, just leave it till then.
Yeah. My stop loss still protected a little.
Yeah, as long as it ain't stop you out, fuck it. Just let it do what it gotta do.
It's 10 points away, though.
Shit.
It's 10
10
points away.
I've missed trades by 2 points before, bro. Anything's possible.
Anything is
Bro.
possible.
To the point, bro. You've missed trade. I've missed trades
If
personally.
you can miss it to the point, shit, it can miss your stop loss to the point. As long as if it's below that previous day's low, and we're really not gonna run the low, it should be good. But that's if it
Until
doesn't
I run
run
the
the
low
low.
today.
What time is it too? 10:11, maybe 10:15 push. I don't know though. Maybe even 10:30. But I don't. This daily candle is just shitted. It's just shitted. This shit is just in the gutter.
Everybody buying.
Nah, bro. Manipulation.
Nah, shit. All of this is manipulation. The whole market's manipulation.
Oh, no.
The market is
This
moves
shit,
off of
bro.
manipulation.
I think the manipulation
thrive
is
off
like the way that we look at it.
You said what?
I think the manipulation is the way that we look at it. Like the way that we view the market,
It is
however we view it,
manipulation.
if we do it in like a negative way, well, there it go.
Don't get it twisted. That shit is definitely being run by somebody.
Nah, not one person.
I mean, money being run by something, I don't think somebody.
I think it's
been
a
something.
group of somebodies, not one person though.
Yeah.
So it's like,
That's what I mean.
mind you, like there's not. I don't think there's one person that knows the market's gonna go one way. It's just a group of a whole bunch of people leading it to one way because they're all doing shit based off of same ideas, same
They're market
ideological
movers. They
beliefs.
control the market.
Hmm?
I said they're market movers. They control the market.
Nah, bro, they don't really control it. They just have a bigger. What is it? It's basically what we're doing. Just they have more money, so it just creates more of an impact.
Yeah. And we can't forget that the USA don't own anything. So we don't own like the dollar, bro. That shit owned by hella different entities and people, bro.
It's just a whole bunch of things making a move at once.
Yeah. It's not just like one thing. Like we don't even, bro, we literally got to ask for permission to even give out money in the government.
Or shit, something that don't even really have value.
At all. It just sucks that I don't got a lot of it.
Where
that's what
I
Andrew
can
Tate said.
deposit. I can deposit bread into my account with Ripple now.
It's Ripple.
Yeah, that shit hard.
If we don't react after clearing this low right here, I think it's runs. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna call it a day. We're gonna see how we react with this low, but I think we should get a little reaction if we. This is like the last hope that it's gonna remain bullish.
Yeah. The next candle is definitely the last hope.
And then the next candle is more likely gonna be down here if this keeps going lower. But if this turns into a wick and goes after clearing this low, and then US30 also tries to hold that fib, might be a chance. But right now, it does look like that previous day's low is coming. Was there news at 10:30? You guys saw it?
Yeah.
Might get a previous day's low reversal down, potentially. But at that point, I wouldn't even. I don't even know. One of them things.
I want to realize why I'm not able to catch this sell. Like I should have been able to catch this move.
You weren't selling. If you would have sold at any time within an hour, you would
Because
have.
that shit's getting set up. That shit's getting set up right after London.
Yeah, it's just you weren't behind. You weren't selling. That's all. If you were in any sales, you would have been up right now.
No, I'm
Honestly,
saying
don't even
like,
get 8:30.
either sell. You feel me?
You said what?
That I didn't see it continuing to sell. So that's why the problem.
This is a continuation.
I don't see a sale entry at all.
Nah, there wasn't no sell entries. That's the thing. Unless you would have got in on a retracement in this order block at 9:15, but that's within the consolidation anyway.
I'm trying. Let me see.
It started to fall at 9, right? Or 9:30.
Yeah, like 9:15.
No, I just don't see it.
No, it wasn't anywhere, especially within the time. I started looking at it at 9, so I was already.
Wait, maybe it got a fib level. Oh, it is a 62% reversal.
Where?
I probably still would never caught that shit though.
It's on a lower time frame.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the 15.
London didn't really have a nice move either. Nothing crazy.
All right, Candle, come on. Come on, 15, Candle. You're doing very good right now. Don't disappoint me.
Whoa. Alright, yep, off of that. Went on Instagram, immediately heard some crazy shit. Alright, let's see. See if we're gonna get above this level now.
No, I think it's over with, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just gonna close it out before I lose too much.
Shit, I wouldn't even close it out, bro. If it's this close, just leave it. Shit, because if it does play out, you gonna be mad you didn't let it just play out.
I just took off half of my position because I'm damn near gambling at this point.
I wouldn't say it's gambling if you stick to your bias. Stick to the same bias, it's not gambling. Just lose some, you win some. You just gotta trust the bias. Cause shit, if you have your stop loss there for a reason, you must think it must not get hit.
Yeah.
Like I said, I've missed trades by pips. By pips. I've had stop losses get missed by pips also.
That's a gap in Dixie.
Man, fuck you, market, bro. Fuck you. That's all I gotta say. You just finesse me. How long I been standing here? An hour, 30 minutes? What a life. What a life. Sat here just to get my shit finessed. Hey, it's part of the game. I feel it. Am I up for the week? No, I am not. Tough. Very, 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 very tough. For the week, I am
trash.
down 0.5%. Not bad, but not good. Yeah, within this area in here, we're starting to get this reaction. It's consolidating slowly. I'm just watching how we're not clearing this low down here, though. It's previous day's low. Yeah, this 10:30 is the last bet. If there, I didn't even know there was news at 10:30. Is it like yellow?
Yeah.
Might not be that even good then. Yeah, right now it's just in a place where it doesn't really make sense. It could push the top side, but I don't know. I probably might go to 200 and then keep dropping potentially.
We gonna know at 10:30. About 10 more minutes. I'm about to go get dressed for the gym.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to leave already. Tell me why I got a whole bunch of bots sent to my account on Instagram. Like a whole bunch of bot followers. They trying to get me. They trying to take me out, boys. They trying to take me out. Yeah, it looks like we're getting some reaction. You about to be out?
I think I'm gonna just hop off the charts. Yeah.
All right, bro.
About to go get some breakfast.
Finally got the reaction at this low I was looking for. Now we're pushing back above. I'm probably gonna look for the retracement on it going into 1030. I think that will probably be my last trade, but I want to see us get a break of structure first.
That shit looking sexy right now.
Yeah, best something like this is what I would ideally look for. To at least show we're bullish first. Going into that 1030, I think that would be best case scenario.
I got hella faith now. I just came back and happy. What the fuck? Oh shit.
We gonna see though. It's all just a small move.
Yeah, we gonna see. Anything can happen.
Like I said, it could just go to 200 and then keep coming lower.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, I'll be safe.
All right, bro.
All right.
I'm gonna talk to you.
I wonder how tomorrow gonna look though.
Nah,
you know,
shit.
Fridays be on that bullshit sometimes.
Nah, they're always on that bullshit. Oh, we did run that high. Hold on. Pardon me, might get in on this retracement. And if I take this L, I'm just done. Simple as that. Stop loss below this low, ideally, for the best case scenario. And if it doesn't play out, I'm going to take my ass to the gym. And I'll be back maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. But we going to see.
Yeah. Because if I lose this trade, I'll lose a total of 1.5%.
Yeah, that's usually
But
what
I got
risk. How much were you risking before you cut your risk?
At first I was risking like a 0.8, but I cut it early. I cut half of it off. But I already lost like 0.25, something like that. But I just got back in like 10 minutes ago. So it's a full
full trade size. Full like trade size now. Like back to what it was.
Yeah, it's a full. It's a total like 0.06.
That's not bad. At least you're not over leveraging.
No, I try not to, because I'm really trying like to build up my account. I don't know. It's just something about like FTMO challenges that make me cringe. And I believe you said it's because I feel like I got something to lose. So maybe if I grow like my own, and like take money from my own personal, then pay for the challenges.
Yeah, it might be everyone's different. Everyone has like their own little system that they gotta go by because everyone has to. They have to become good at certain things compared to other people. You might not.
Yeah, it's all about.
You might not necessarily need help with risking, considering you risk low already. That's one thing FTMO is good for, keeping you like disciplined and learning to be disciplined.
Oh yeah, that they really the one who taught me my discipline because I kept losing challenges, bro. I lost like 5 challenges already.
Shit, I've probably lost like 12, bro. Trust. All that shit going.
That made me feel good.
Oh, yeah.
Matter of fact, recent one was my 6th one because I had one like my Forex fund challenge.
Yeah, bro, this shit get devious. Shit gets devious. People be like, yeah, I feel my challenge, bro. Stop being a bitch. Stop being a little bitch. I've lost all these challenges. I don't even care no more. I can blow 4 challenges in a week. Yeah, it's just all part of the game. You said what?
God, you said you lost 4 challenges in 1 week.
No, I'm saying I could lose 4 challenges in 1 week, and I probably won't even really be phased, type of thing. 4 in a week, nah, that's kind of crazy. That's like a new challenge every day. You gotta learn. That's super weird. Like 2 in a week, all right, because you could fuck up 1 and start another one, but fucking up 2, yeah, if you fuck up 2, that's definitely call it a week or month. Go back to demo for a little bit. You ain't doing something right.
No, all the money like that I be losing in like this damn trading shit right now. I just say it's all taxes, and I'm gonna get it all back in like a return
Just
later
it's
on.
like going to college. College, you pay all that money for a chance to not even make money. At least we know there's a chance we make all this back. It's getting paid, paying it to the
Right.
game.
Paying it to the game.
What time is it? It is 5 minutes to 10:30. I'm trying to get this nice little retracement. It's like getting close. And if it just ends up stopping me out, I'm out.
I do feel like it's gonna go lower, but I feel like it might shoot up pretty tough at
I'm thinking
10:30.
10:30 might be what helps it. That's the only thing. Because if it isn't gonna get ran through, this period stays low shouldn't get ran through. Even though we are extremely low, and it more than likely looks like it is, you never need a full move to capitalize. Like I said, 200 is more than enough than what I need to make a trade, capitalize off of a trade. Damn, this is like no volume. Like shit, I'm trying to get that great entry right there at the 62. Nice. As soon as I said something, look at that. Look at that. Ain't that some shit? Well, if this just flies from here, it looks like I'm done for today.
Yeah, I'm just really super geek go to the gym because I'm starting my strength training journey.
Oh yeah, you be going to the gym alone?
Hell yeah, I don't like going to the gym with people.
Nah, you
I
say
feel
that.
like
I
people
like going
can't
with
keep
people.
up.
Yeah, I guess you gotta get people that are stronger though, because if you have people that can actually that you know now you could try to like max out on certain things, because you got them
Yeah,
there. Certain things you just can't do alone. Like can't test your limits. That's why I like going with other people
yeah, bro. I really
sometimes.
just got rid of all my friends, bro, because all my friends just soft as hell. They be emotional, complaining. Bro, I literally caught myself complaining. Bro, I was about to cry this week. I'm like, what the fuck am I crying for? I'm like, I'm just gonna, like stop talking to motherfuckers. Well, no, last week, I'm like, I'm just gonna stop talking to motherfuckers. And sure enough, I started getting better.
This environment's everything. A lot of time I'm by myself. I'm to myself chilling for the most of the part. I ain't gonna lie, I'll be around more females than men. At least with females, it's like
Yeah, that's
I can't really lose nothing from being around them. Now you definitely can. You just gotta be smart. I don't know.
yeah. Like I don't lead like with my little head though, so I really don't even be caring about like what females be doing or saying.
Not even
But I
that. It's
really
like with a
if
female
female
though.
act
With a
important.
female though, it's like a different. Like you're not necessarily looking for them to like, oh, I should be doing these types of things. It's like the reverse. They're looking at you, like, oh, I should be doing this. I should be
Yeah,
doing with this. You're not gonna look at them being emotional, and that's gonna make you emotional. You know what I mean?
right.
Whereas if it's like your friends, is like if they're always sad, you're always around them type of thing. It's a little bit different.
Yeah, and like they was on that damn spiritual shit, bro. Talking about I'm like 60% feminine and 40% masculine, so I get emotional. I'm like, bro, fuck all that
Like,
shit,
bro, what the
bro.
fuck are
Like
you talking about, bro?
he talk about like, bro, like I'm just naturally a hermit, so I
I'm like,
just
nah,
can't
bro.
be
You're naturally a
doing
bitch.
things.
You're naturally a
That's what I'm
bitch.
saying, bro. Like I'm like, you know what? All right, bro.
Everyone's sad. Everyone
I'll
has
keep
emotions.
moving.
It's about if you're gonna let them show. That's the main thing. The discipline.
Right, bro. Like they be settling this shit because they be thinking like, oh, since I got like all this aura
It's
and shit, I
comfortable.
don't
They're
like,
comfortable
bro.
where they are because they just became they settled. They settled. It's like they don't think they could change it type of thing. So it's like, why would
Right,
you?
bro. I'm trying to win wars and fight battles. Yo ass is trying to watch and then just reap the benefits of my hard work. Like
Real
fuck
shit.
that, bro.
All right, 10:30. Let's see. It looks like we're coming lower.
It might come lower and then shoot up.
Let's see. Are we gonna have that retracement now?
Yeah, because it don't have a wick, so it got to come back up and do some type of wick.
It's coming a
We
little
don't
bit
have.
lower. Just a little bit lower. I'm I'm willing to take this last risky trade on God.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, unless I
This
wait, I'm
last
gonna give it a
15
second.
minutes.
I'm gonna give it a second.
It's the last 15 minutes anyway, so
Yeah,
go ahead and
I'm
do
giving this
it.
a second. If it starts wicking, I'm gonna hop in. But right now, I'm waiting to see if it just keeps coming lower.
I need to start trading like you, because I'd be like impulsive, like placing my trades.
No, I just rather miss it. You're gonna be way better off missing the trade. So sometimes you just gotta be a couple of seconds, a little bit patient. Like, look, now we have no wick on either side on this 1 minute,
Yeah.
which is not good because now this 5 minute looks like it's gonna keep coming lower. And if I wouldn't have waited, I would be in instant drawdown.
Yeah, because right now, like where I'm at with like my trading, I don't care if I lose no more. Like that shit don't phase me
No,
no
you
more.
shouldn't care. Losing is gonna be part of the game regardless. It's just
Right?
there's certain people that have like
Look,
fear of missing
I can't
out.
lose forever.
There's like certain people that have fear of missing out. Then there's the fear of getting in. I have the fear of missing
I,
out compared to having the fear to get in. I'm not scared to take the risk, but I'm scared to miss the opportunity.
yeah, that's me. But I just need to learn how like to manage it, because I be knowing like, yeah, I gotta wait till like 5 minutes after 10:30, for a trade, or like 5 minutes after nine
It's
thirty
easier
for.
said than done, but then when you
It
see
is
it
way
pushing
easier
in the
said.
direction before the 5 minutes is up, that's when the discipline kicks in, and then intuition also. Because like, are you really gonna wait, even though you know it's more than likely to go that way? It's like a big journey within you. Like right
Like
now,
what
I
it
could
really
end
is.
up getting in, but I don't know. Is it gonna be smart? I don't know.
Like what it really is. Like I'm really like more comfortable taking trades in like in certain ranges, like where I know like it might be like a reversal. But
Mm-hmm.
if that motherfucker big as hell, like this range right here, big as fuck. So it's like, damn, I don't know like where to get in or stuff like that. Cause sometimes it want like tap it a little bit and then just instantly go up, or sometimes it
Yeah,
goes super
sometimes
deep
it's
and
better
go
in
up.
than out, and that's facts. There's like certain situations that you know what to do, but some situations you're not
Yeah,
really. It's not clear. Like a situation like this is not very clear. But like I
it's
said,
not
I was
clear.
just betting off the fact that it was gonna get back above this high. Like I'm on the 1 minute, but that 15 minute high, like look how it just reacted there. Regardless, I didn't know if it was gonna be a long term, but it did have a reaction nonetheless. It's just a matter of if
Right.
I think it's gonna be a long term, and it looks like it wants to, but I don't know if I want to take the risk getting in. What I might do is I'm gonna take the risk, just considering it is rejecting it, and if I take the loss, I'm just gonna call it a day. Cause I'd rather get in now, take the loss within a few minutes, and at least be done, than me sit here for another hour and not take nothing.
Yeah, that makes sense. Cause we spend way too much time here. We got to see
Yeah.
something.
So stop loss,
And
I
this
got it
my
right below that low. It'll be fast to play out, and it'll be fast to break even. So we'll see. Fast little trade, and if this doesn't play out, then I'm done. I'm off. And I'll probably won't even trade tomorrow either, just because it's Friday. And I ain't have the best week anyway.
I really don't be trading Wednesdays. I feel like I lose the most money on Wednesdays because they
Wednesdays.
don't really make big moves until 1 o'clock Chicago time or 2 o'clock Chicago time. So that's like 2 and 3 o'clock New York time.
Yeah, it just depends. Time frame, not time frames. Sessions are everything. Time sessions is gonna be everything.
Yeah.
Let's see. Come on, let's get a push. Right now it's just real staying in this area. We gonna see though. I just need to get back
Yeah.
above this low that I was looking at earlier. Once you get back above that, then I'll be safe to keep on holding.
Yeah, but this stance at this area kind of make me a little bit comfortable because if
Facts.
it stands still, we got to make some type of reversal then.
But hold on, I'm about to mute myself.
You just gotta take out some more of that low. Then we might get our reversal. Just gotta take out some more of that low.
Yeah, it took me out. I was on the phone, but rest in peace. This shit is just probably gonna trend lower like yesterday. Another day, not much opportunity for us to take anything.
Yeah, I'm about to set a stop loss and probably just go.
Yeah, just leave your stop loss, bro. It is what it is. There's nothing really here to do. It's just fucking falling. It's just a big ass range.
Yeah, that's all it is. The range huge as fuck. If it wasn't that huge, bro, we would have been in and out, one and done.
Nah, this shit is just. This is falling. Ain't really much to do. I'm not even gonna bother looking at it. Tomorrow, I might not even look for anything, considering it just might keep falling again. But nah, I'm about to call it a day, though. I already been at these charts. Hour 45.
Yeah, it's been way too long.
Facts.
All right, bro.
But all right, bro, I'm gonna talk to you. Appreciate you being here, bro.
Yeah, most def.
All right, bro. You be safe.
Yeah, you